How to fix Instagram story quality with music on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, just click update and now just go to settings. If you have an Android phone, go to apps again, type here Instagram and click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, now open your Instagram, go to your account and then click these three lines here. Now click settings and here scroll down until you find account and then click this one, cellular data use, and now disable it. Make sure it's disabled. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.